My students, Matt and Kyle, are helping me with this, and we set up the table in such a way that we have the yellow sun in the middle, which may be an orange or lemon, and then we have an inner blue planet and outer green planet, and Matt is advancing each one of them in their respective orbits, and we use these reinforcement labels taped onto the table, and for each label that the inner blue planet makes, there are two for the outer green one, and we can see that the inner blue one is obviously orbiting faster because it has a shorter orbit. So if it was just the outer green planet, then a projection onto that, in the background we can see a window with some white paper in front of it. If it was just the green planet orbiting, then it would move nicely right to left. However, we are on an orbiting Earth, the inner blue planet, so we're approaching it and passing it, and so the motion is going to become pretty interesting. So what Matt is doing, he's the one looking at the two marbles that we're using, and he's telling Kyle where to make a little streak. So again, the green outer planet should move nicely right to left, which it does, but from the viewpoint of the inner blue planet, it moved, the numbers are barely recognizable. There it's 1, 2, 3 from right to left, but now there's the 4, and watch what happens. From our moving Earth point of view, the green one is actually backtracking because we're passing it. And again, if it was just the green one, the outer one, it would move nicely right to left, and so would the projection. But since we're continuously changing our viewpoint, passing it, it seems to appear moving left to right for a little while, which is called retrograde motion. So he's got 1, 2, 3 to the left, and then 4, 5 to the right. Now I think they're discussing where it moved. Yep. So now it regained its original motion. And so that loop that we have in there is an illusion that we get because we are on the orbiting Earth, passing the outer planet. So here at the end we can see it moved 1, 2, 3 to the left and 4, 5 to the right, and then it regained its projected motion, 6, 7, 8. Of course, the entire time the outer green one was moving to the left. But from the moving Earth, it looked like as if it was backtracking, retrograding for a while.